Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. So today guys, we are going to be making oxtail yam pepper soup. Guys, oxtail is something else. Oxtail for me, it is a treat that I give myself once in a while because we do not eat too much of red meat in this house. Oh my days, that meat can be so succulent and juicy, and the bone in between the meat just gives it another flavor altogether. So yes, I'm going to be making oxtail yam pepper soup. Guys, over the weekend, today is still Tuesday and we're still battling with snow here and there, storm, wind, everything, name it. The weather is like going crazy here in Ireland. We're dealing with Storm Kira. Storm Kira hit Ireland over the weekend around Friday, and there has been yellow warning everywhere telling people to be careful where they go, how they drive and all that. Most of all, I hate cold weather, and this weather has been just getting on my last nerve. It is just that crazy weather. So yes, we are going to make something to keep us, to keep our body coping with this weather, because our body is struggling. Our body is struggling. Anyway guys, I'm going to take you guys over there and I will introduce you guys to our ingredients for today. Come on board, let's get it started. So guys, this is our ingredients for today. So of course, this is our oxtail. Here I have this big red bell pepper. I have it here with red onions. I'm thinking of adding more if when I add this one, if I don't see the color that I want, because I want the color to be welcoming and inviting. Here I have ginger and garlic. I have white onions, and this is my Nigerian scent leaf frozen, and that is ehu calabash nut. So I have uziza, uda, and ehu calabash nut, and that is my maggi. And this is salt, crayfish, thyme, my jollof chicken seasoning, and my dry Nigerian chili. So guys, let's get on with starting to cook our meat first. So that is our pot. I am going to add our meat. I am going to add the white onions. I will add a bit of salt. I will add thyme, a little bit of the jollof chicken, and I will add 2 Maggi. So over here, I'm going to pound my ginger and garlic. So now it is time to add it inside our pot. So that is it in there. So I will put the stove on, cover the pot, and start cooking. So basically, we're going to cook this meat. We're just going to leave this meat alone. I'll keep checking it time to time to see if I need to add water. But we're going to just cook this meat until this meat gets soft. Oh yeah, I'm not sure that I showed our yam. This is our yam, right? So when I cook the meat, when the meat gets soft, that is when we are going to add our yam, okay? So guys, this meat has been cooking for 20 minutes and it has no water in it. So we're going to add water. We'll add another water. We will cover it and we will keep cooking it, okay, until it gets a little bit more softer. So guys, our meat has been cooking for 40 minutes and it is a bit soft now. So now it's time to add our yam. So I'm going to add water back inside the pot, and I am going to add our yam inside the pot as well. So guys, we are going to blend our onions and sweet pepper. I'm going to add just a tiny bit of water, and I don't want to blend it to be smooth. I'm just going. So guys, now it's time to blend my dry ingredients. I have ehu seed, oda, and uziza seed. So guys, I have blended my uziza seed, my ehu, and my oda ehu. Before you blend it, you have to crack open the shell. So I have cracked open the shell. So guys, this is our pot. So we're going to start adding all the things we have blended. So let's start adding all the ingredients that we have grounded. I'm gonna add my dry ingredients. Oh, I can smell the aroma of the dry ingredient. Oh, this is the real thing. This is why I like stuff from Nigeria. When you buy stuff here that is grounded from the African shop, you can't perceive the aroma of the spice. Like immediately I pour that in there, I can perceive the aroma without even cooking it first. So I'm going to add in my blended sweet pepper and onions, and I am going to add crayfish. I'm going to add dry chili. When I started cooking this, I added 2 Maggi and salt. I'm going to add 1 Maggi in it, and if I cook it halfway again, I'm going to taste it and make sure salt is in there. So I'm going to cover and then we start cooking. So guys, it has been boiling now for 10 minutes. It looks so welcoming. Okay, I will add salt because I can't taste nothing. Now I can taste it. So I'm going to cover and we will give this another 10 minutes and this food will be ready. So guys, after another 5 minutes, I am going to add our frozen scent leaf. Okay, I'm going to mix. This scent leaf will give this our pepper soup another native, scent that we all remember. And I will also check the yam, or it's done. So guys, I'll give it another 5 minutes and I'll take it out from the stove. So guys, our pepper soup is ready. The aroma inside this kitchen is something else. But this is where this recipe is going to end. Wow, it tastes so good, guys. This bad weather will not see me today. So guys, this is where this recipe is going to end. Look at that pepper soup. Oh, and the aroma in here is honestly to die for. So yeah, we're going to end this recipe here. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Oh my days, guys, oh my days, I can't wait to dive in. It tastes so good, it is so delicious, and the aroma is just getting inside my nose. So guys, this is where today's recipe is going to end. Seriously, I can't wait to dive in. The weather is so cold. I'm just in here, the heater is on, but I am wearing, let me don't lie, I am wearing am wearing this the whole entire time, so let me don't just lie. It is so cold, the weather is so bad. So yes, but my oxtail pepper soup is going to do the job today. It is going to do the job. So yeah, this is where today's recipe is going to end. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you on my next one. And if you're here for the first time and you have not subscribed, girl, what are you waiting for? In here we do food recipes, mukbang, chit chat, vlog and natural hair tips. So subscribe and stay tuned to my channel, and I will see you guys on my next one. Peace out.